Hello, this video is going to help you learn how to put lists into your TI calculator, how to use those lists to help come up with scatter plots and make linear regression equations on your TI-84 calculator. And I'll use number 4 from last night's homework as an example. If you're still struggling, we'll work through it here together. First thing I need to do is put the study hours in list and these grades in a list on my TI-84 calculator. So bring that up. And I already have a bunch of stuff in my TI-84 calculator. I'm going to clear out the command history to make it easier to follow at home. So I'm going to clear out list 3, and to clear it out, I just go up to the top where it says list 3, and I hit clear, and it takes care of it. Hit enter, list 3 is cleared out. I'll go over to list 4, same thing, hit clear, enter, it's taken care of. And now I can type in my study hours in list 3. And I'll do that quickly. And now I'll put in the grade we earned on that test for each of those hours in list 4. Oops, that should be 90. Great. Now I will go to window. Let's think about making this as a stat plot. My study time ranges from 0 hours to no more than 5 hours. Maybe I'll put 6 on there just so I have a little extra wiggle room, and I'll leave my scalar at 1. The y-axis are the grades I could earn, and those grades range from 60 up to not quite 100. Maybe I'll just go from 50 to 100, and I'll go by 5s. So my window is set. Let's go to second, stat plot, and I'm going to want to turn on plot 2. And there's plot 2, so I'll click that on. I want it to be scatter plot. I do have my x values in list 3. I do have my y values in list 4, so I'm set there. Red. Let's hit graph and see what we get. There it is. Excellent. Now I want to add a linear regression equation. I return back to stat, and this time I'm going to toggle over to calc, and I want to calculate the linear regression. That's option 4. I'll click enter, and my x list is L3, that's fine. My y list is L4, that's fine. I ignore the frequency list. Store my regression equation. Yes, I do want that stored. So I'm going to click vars, right arrow, enter, enter, and that stores it in y1. I'll go down and tell it to calculate. There is my linear regression equation. The slope is 6.31 to the nearest hundredth, and the y-intercept is 62.05 to the nearest hundredth. And that R value, my correlation, is 0.9556. If I click on graph, my line appears because I saved it in Y1. I hope this helps you with your homework.